Okay, so yeah, last one hopefully. I did make a few changes here, so you can configure the grid color now. I've put the piece number of sides of the piece as a variable here that you can change. Showing the board now normally looks like this. The piece is going in around about that size. You can change that to 0.4 to make them a bit bigger. They're a bit smaller here. Let's do that. Let's also make the size of the grid smaller, and we'll change the number of sides of the piece to, I don't know, 6, so that we get hexagons. So now we have a much smaller grid, and each piece is a hexagon. If you wanted them lying flat, you could probably put an offset in theta in that, whatever you want to do to. You can change the way those work. Interestingly, though, I do actually have a bug, which I've found out how to fix, but I'll just show what happens here. Let's do this carefully. It's blues move, so red, red, and red. Maybe I've fixed it already. Let's just see. It was in the winning line. 0 to row, 0 to 3. Yeah, this was a 4 before, and that leads to a bug. So that needs to be changed to a 3, but I'll change it back to a 4 just to show what happens. We've still got our tiny grid. And it shows a win there. The reason for that is when I'm checking for vertical lines, what I'm notionally doing is I'm taking this grid and turning it through 90 degrees and searching for rows. But when you're searching for rows in the actual game, you need to look at columns 0, 1, 2, and 3 and look right, because all of those can make a line of 4, and I do that for every cell here. But when I notionally turn this on its side, I actually only want to search 0, 1, and 2. Because you can't make a row of 4 starting there and going upwards. But I've kept 4. I kept 4 here, same as that, and that's caused a bug. So that does need to be changed to 3. The other thing I've done is I've got a new game feature as we did before. So in order to have a new game, I created a new game function wherever it is. Where is it? I'll put it right at the beginning for some reason. So this just resets a load of stuff. Obviously, I've got to name these as using the global ones because I'm changing them all. I just reset the grid, reset the pieces, the player, the last call text, and the game over in the winning line, and I'm ready to go. I display a screen, much like I did in the snake game, which is a little game over screen, which is here. Same as before, saying that the game is over and asking you to press space to start again. And in order to implement that, I've got not only a mouse press event function here, but a key press. So if the game's over and you press space, then call new game, and that I think is it.